Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of DeLorean Tech. So my friend David, who has an 81 DeLorean, just did the Dynamat treatment. And this is something that I've been wanting to do with the DeLorean Tech car. So he's invited us over to go check it out. My car is fairly quiet. It could be a little quieter. This is a great opportunity to get an idea of what the difference could actually be. Is it going to be quieter? Does it make sense to do it? How much of it do you need to apply? That kind of stuff. So we are gonna hop in the DeLorean Tech car here and head on over to his house. He doesn't live that far away, and we're gonna check out his DeLorean. So. All right, so we just got here, and here's David Daniels.
Hi.
Once again. How you doing, man?
How's everybody?
Yeah, doing good. So we're gonna check this out. So he put Dynamat in the car. What else did you do? I mean, is it just Dynamat or what else?
So it's Dynamat layer, and then a layer of Dynapad over at least the transmission tunnel, and then the back wall to the engine bay.
Nice.
Yeah, and the Dynapad's a little bit thicker. Here's
okay.
This was a pre-existing, right? The carpet pad with the rubber, right? Oh, does not smell good. Yeah, no. All right, so this is Dynapad, right? So it's about the same size.
That's cool.
It's the old one.
Yeah, it's about the same thickness there.
Yeah, give or take.
Yeah. Looks a lot better, though.
Yeah, for sure. Well, also smells a lot nicer, too, and it's industrial, foam, right? And then Dynamat, right, which is the sound deadener. And the Dynapad is a sound deadener too. I did notice a big difference just putting the Dynamat down, then driving it, and then putting the Dynapad on top and gluing in with the upholstery glue.
So you went all out.
Yeah.
You're gonna do it right.
Yeah. Well,
nice.
That's the correct way.
So you just did the back wall.
Yeah, back wall in the transmission tunnel.
Okay. Anything in here?
Yeah.
Okay. So
yeah, so you pull that up. Pull the carpet up. You can see it.
Oh yeah, look at that, man.
Yeah.
That looks great. Let's feel that. Oh, wow. Feels nice.
Yeah, a
nice
lot
and
nicer.
cush.
Mm-hmm.
So, did you go inside here or no? That's a lot of work.
No, not in those, but all around the back.
Okay, because you already have, I mean, you really have this as sort of an acting barrier, but you have it behind the wall right here as well, all inside there. That's pretty cool, man. Yeah, Dynapad. So you didn't go with any of the third-party stuff. You went straight to the actual company, Dynamat.
Yeah.
So we're going to pull the back wall off so you can get an idea of everything that went into it. All right, so here is all the work that went into it. So you got the Dynapad right there. Looks really good. So, yeah, nice. And it's all the way inside there as well. You can kind of see it. He went all out, man. So you covered every little nook and cranny in here. That's awesome.
Yeah, it makes it sound a lot better.
So you've noticed a difference?
Yes. Oh, yeah, big difference from stock.
All right, because this is something I've been wanting to do.
Where the mat is versus...
Yeah.
So much quieter. This especially is really loud because it kind of flexes.
Yeah, for
over
sure.
The transmission tunnel.
Yeah. All the noise comes out right underneath here.
Yeah.
This isn't so bad, but this...
Yeah.
There's nothing there. I mean, it's just a carpet pad was originally there. At least there was a big, thick piece of foam in there originally, right? Cool. So this works then. You're attesting to that.
Yeah, I believe it.
Okay.
I think so.
All right.
I think it sounds a lot better.
Why don't we hop in and find out? Because I just drove my car here, all nice and stock. Nothing, in fact, less carpet pad than it originally had for sure.
Right.
But let's take a drive in this and see what the difference is. All right, so we are gonna go for a ride in this 81 DeLorean here with the Dynamat. So everything's pretty much a stock carpet kit and everything. He's got the Dynamat going on.
Yeah.
Let's see how it is. Starts up pretty nice.
Yeah. Agreed.
Got that new fuel accumulator in there. I bet you that made a huge difference, right?
Yeah, big time. Yeah, I need to work on that.
Ooh, I can already notice the difference. All right, so right off the bat, you can hear a major difference. We got the AC running, Let's see.
I'll show you. Shut it off.
Roll the windows up. We're up. Oh yeah, that's a big difference, man. I don't hear like any creaking and stuff like I do in mine. No, but that just might be mine. I don't know.
No, this car creaks worse than yours does.
Oh.
Trust me.
I don't hear any creaking at all.
No.
Dude, it sounds great, man.
Yeah, it's like a new car.
Wow. Okay, now I'm totally sold. Just within the couple minutes we've been in here already. I don't hear any like rattling or vibrations or anything. Oh, it does feel better, man. Feels better and sounds better, right?
Yeah. It's crazy how different it is, and it just proves they just didn't have the acoustical stuff back in the early 80s.
Yeah. Yeah, for sure. Yeah, no, it definitely does sound better, man. And you didn't do the floor either, right? Because I heard doing the floor doesn't actually make a difference, you know, when it comes to sound deadening and stuff like that. At least that's what I've heard. So, and really optimally, all you need to do is the rear firewall and the over the transmission, the tunnel. Did you go up into here at all?
No.
Nope, just the back, huh?
Yeah, just the back over the transmission tunnel.
It's so easy to do that too. Yeah. So easy to do that.
Yeah, a couple hours.
Couple hours? Okay. Couple hours worth of work. Yeah, this was way more quiet, man. I mean, it's definitely quieter than mine. I'll tell you that much. I mean, our engines are both stock, so we can say that they should sound about the same, right? At least the same noise levels, but I could just tell right off the bat that yours is definitely quieter in terms of like road noise, right?
Yeah,
you know, road noise and also noise from the engine. And the engine not super loud or anything, it's stock.
Yeah, when you rev a little bit, but otherwise you don't really hear it. If it's under about 3,000 RPM, you really
well, it's always good to hear the engine a little bit. I like actually hearing it, you know what I mean? But you can still hold a conversation.
Oh yeah.
Like in a stage one car, you can hold a conversation in a stage one car. It's just not as you just got to speak a little bit louder, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's quite a big difference.
Well, yeah, the worst noise in here is just the way all the interior stuff fits together.
Yeah. Definitely more subdued.
One, I don't know if your car has that problem too, but you know, all the rubber gaskets back there that go to the engine bay are all either bad or
you got some rattling.
Yeah.
My engine cover actually rattles depending on like what resonance, what frequency it resonates. Usually at idle, I'll hear it shake, and I've gone back there and tried to fix it, and no dice. I think I just need to replace something on it, or just get rid of it and go no engine cover.
Yeah, right. There you go. You do that in California. It doesn't rain that much.
Right. Well, I never drive the car out in the rain anyway, so
there you go. Well, yeah, I was getting real bad after I took the louvers off when I did the roof box. It was just terrible because I tightened everything back up, and the louvers always would be creaking and making noise and groaning, and now don't hear it right now. Good. So much better.
Yeah, big difference. Dynamat's really working back there.
Yeah, much happier. My wife hopefully will like it too. I haven't had her ride any yet since I got it done, but she was the smell was the biggest thing. It was very off-putting.
No, you can totally tell the smell is much better.
Yeah.
Got that old 80s car stench. It almost smells like you're just in a modern car now, right?
Yeah, right.
What a difference. So I think we can say that this definitely works, and that we're going to have to do it to the DeLorean Tech car for sure.
Yeah, everybody should do it to their car.
Yeah, I know Skip did it with his. He was really happy with it. He's got a much louder exhaust though anyway, so he probably needed to do it. Our motors are both technically the same. We're both stock. We haven't really done anything different to the engine to make it louder or anything. So I think comparatively, the way you have yours set up right now with this Dynamat, it does make a big difference. It does sound quieter in here, a little bit more pleasant.
Well, yeah, and our cars are both higher mileage too, so you'd think they would sound worse anyway.
You got 51,000 miles on it?
50. It says 51.
It's 151?
It's probably closer to like 115.
Oh, wow, okay.
Yeah.
So you let the angle drive off for a while.
Yeah, it was broken from about 96 or 97 to July.
Wow.
Yeah.
Man, that's a long time.
Yeah. Well, the car sat for about 10 of those years, but the rest of the time, my dad was daily driving it for a good period from like 2000 to like 03 or whatever.
Yeah, for sure.
It's fine, it's manual. Estimate how fast you're going.
Yep. What a difference. All right, well, this is going to be part 1 of hopefully a 2-part video series on how to Dynamat your DeLorean. And really, all you need to do is the back firewall and just the area over the transmission right there on the floor of that shelf, and you should be good to go. I think you were going to do a little bit more later on with the carpet padding and stuff like that, right?
Right.
But for now, this is actually pretty good. I'm liking it. So part 2 coming soon, how to Dynamat your DeLorean. Hopefully we'll be doing that with the DeLorean Tech car here sooner rather than later, right? Okay, everybody, that's the video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, just drop those down in the comments, and we'll see you again in part 2. Thanks for watching.
See you then.